Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. Today we'll be unboxing this Bluetooth hands-free adapter for your car. It just sits in a cigarette port and it gives you Bluetooth connectivity, which I think is really cool. It was only £12 from Amazon, and let's open it up. So this one has the extra features where you can plug in a micro SD card and a USB stick if you would like to play some music on there, which is quite a neat feature, to be honest. Here is the instructions. We're not going to read it all, but basically it does what it says on the tin. It just slots in. Right, now for the main device, and it's in this little bit of protection here, which is good because it could break on transport and stuff. So we have this here now. It looks really nice, to be honest, for like 12 pound. It's alright. That's the SD card slot, sorry, micro SD card slot, and then you have music for USB and a charging port. You got the buttons there, and those buttons are the middle one does volumes if you toggle it left and right, and it also answers phone calls. Um, Obviously left and right of the skip back and skip forward buttons, which is quite cool. And that is the whole device, guys. I think it's really nice, quite a neat small device. Let's just plug in the micro SD card into the slot. I think I got it the wrong way around here. Bam, and it slots in quite nicely, and you can just push it back in more further to pop it back out. So that's very nice. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you do buy one of these, let me know. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. See you on the next video. Peace.